Determine the largest weight W that can be supported safely by the structure if the working stresses are 16,000 for the steel cable, ito, and then 720 PSI for the wood strut. Ito yung wood strut. Ayan. So, neglect the weight of the structure para maging 2-force member yung BC. Itong member BC, 2-force member lang yan. Kasi meron kang force dyan, meron din dito. So, yung FBD natin, we can just consider this joint, yung joint B. So, at joint B, bale yung force ng BC, yan din yung reaction ng hinge, essentially. So, ito yung BC, and then ito naman yung AB, tension yan kasi cable. So, again na, away from the joint. And then, meron din tayong W. Ayan. Now, this is 12. Ito naman 9. Dito na lang. Now, naka-ratio yan. Divide mo by 3. Divide this by 3. Magiging 3. Divide mo yan by 3. Magiging 4. So, yung legs naka 3, 4. So, this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So, yung inclination ng BC, equal lang yan. Equal lang dito. So, now, we can sum up forces along Y equal to 0. We would have BC and then times 4 vertical component divided by the hypotenuse na 5. And then minus W. Equate natin yan to 0. And then for our second equation, we can sum up forces along X. So, meron tayong AB to the left, negative, and then BC going to the right. So, plus BC, tapos horizontal component divided by the hypotenuse na 5. Ayan. So, equate to 0. So, merong dalawang binigay. Para sa steel, the stress is 16,000. Working stress yan. And then for the wood naman, 720. So, gagawin natin for the steel cable, simplify muna pala natin to. Diba, BC would become, move yung W sa kabilang side, W times reciprocal of 4 over 5, 5 divided by 4. And then, using this value para sa second equation, ayan, yung AB natin magiging cancel yung 5, so 3 over 4 na lang. AB equals 3/4 of W. Ayan, so ito yung i-carry ng steel, ito naman yung para sa wood. So for the wood, yung steel lang muna pala, ito kasi yung nasa itaas, ito yan, member AB. So again, 3/4 W. 16,000 equals 3/4 of W divided by the area. Area is 0.5. Now, hindi yan diameter, naka-inches squared na yan, so automatic na. Divide this by 0.5. So, 16,000 equals 3/4 W divided by 0.5. So, magiging 10,666. 0.67 yan. Tapos naka-pounds. And then, para sa, ano naman, para sa wood, 720 PSI. And then, yung dadalhin niya is 5/4 of W. So, 5 over 4 W divided by area ng wood is 16. Ayan. So, 720 times 16 multiplied by reciprocal of 5 over 4, 4 over 5. So, 9216. Tapos, naka-pounds. So, alin yung pipiliin natin? ito yung kaya ng steel, ito naman yung kaya ng wood. Mas maliit yung kaya ng wood. So, siya yung magagovern. Therefore, our answer is 9216 pounds. Yan yung maximum W na masusupport ng structure natin.